Welcome to Website Builder. In this video we're going to walk you through how to change the banner on your website. If you have a look here, you can see I have a revolving banner or a slideshow at the moment. Not quite what I wanted for my website, so I'm going to change those. To do that, I head to Design and Banner Image / Slideshow. As you can see, these are the three images that are currently loaded up to my website. I can change them by clicking on Change Image. If I had an image already installed on my CMS, this is where I would get it. As I don't, I'm going to upload it from my computer. I'm going to choose this cat one here. Now, because I know it's probably going to be the wrong size, I'm not going to tick this box. If I did, it would mean that I wasn't able to resize the image, but I want to, so I'll click Upload. And as you can see, I've got a warning saying that my image is too large. Here, I have got a resize for 1100 by 420, which is the right size for this theme, and I need to select where I want the image to crop. Quite like that area there, so I will click Save Image after I have changed the name into something useful. Save Image. As you can see, it cropped it and it automatically put it into my website. I'll go and do that again on the next one. Upload it. We'll have this cat this time. And once again, I need to choose whereabouts I would like it to crop. I like it to be cropped there. Let me change it to a useful name, which is done for SEO purposes. Save my image, and as you can see now, I have got two cropped images. This one here, I don't want it, I'm not going to change it, so to remove it, I will click Hide, and it removes it already. If I wanted a specific page on my website to link to each banner, this is where I would put in the link. So I wanted that one there to link to my shopping page. That's what I'd do. I could also put in a caption and a call to action if I wanted to. Scrolling down here, this is where I'd change the effects, the animated effects for my banners. I can choose a style, the speed, how long it takes between slides, and whether or not I need to display it all. So I'm going to have this one. I'm going to increase down to 2 seconds, transition to 1 second, and then I'll see up here what it looks like. That looks fine to me. So I will just press Publish. Check out my website, and here it is here.